don't need money to start a business. You need a plan from zero to your first $10,000. Step 1. Pick a simple skill, something people already pay for. Design, editing, writing, marketing. Don't overthink it. Start simple. Step 2. Find a problem. People don't pay for ideas. They pay for solutions. Solve something real. Step 3. Get your first client. Don't wait for perfection. Reach out. Offer value. Start small. Step 4. Deliver results. Not promises. Make your client happy. Because one client leads to many. Step 5. Reinvest your money. Don't spend early. Upgrade your skills. Upgrade your tools. Grow your business. Step 6. Build a system. Don't do everything yourself forever. Automate, outsource, scale. And step 7. Stay consistent. Because your first $10,000 is the hardest. After that, it gets easier. Most people quit before they reach it. But if you stay in the game, learn, and improve, you win. Because business is simple. Solve problems. Get paid. Repeat. So the question is, are you ready to make your first $10,000? I hope you understand, so subscribe for more finance content.